I finished that soldering, I did the cleaning. First step is with CJ's Flux Remover and some water, and then made sure the water was warm, and then rinsed it off. And I actually used my tap water. So some things about that, if you have contaminants in your tap waters, if you don't know it, you know, that could affect the patina. If you did wash it with the CJs, you might want to use like distilled water or something else. That's going to be able to clean it off. This is the Mr. Clean scrub. Been very nice to have and to use on a project and prepping it before the patina. You just get some water on this, scrub it throughout, and as you start to work on it, it picks up all that grime, everything that's still on the solder, turns it pretty black, and you'll see the solder shine even more after the CJ's Flux Remover. That's the second step. The third one, I don't know if we even need this, but I've had success with it, so I want to continue using it. Quick clean. You just spray this on here, and then just wiping everything with a paper towel. So just do a good spray. I'm gonna try not to touch any of this stuff right now, actually. Probably a good idea to wear some gloves. So don't want your oils, anything else from your hands. Got the gloves now, so it's very clean. I think we are ready. This is the patina that I'll be using, the Novocaine Black. I use a brush. Some people use Q-tips, even paper towel to wipe it all. Brushing has been good. You can work it in, and then you'll be pouring this into the cap so you don't contaminate, dip back into here, because it will ruin this bottle. Let's shake it up. You almost have to saturate it. So I'm wiping it off quickly. If you leave the patina on here for too long, sometimes it eats into the glass, stains the glass. I've seen it in white glass that will stain on the edges. So I'm trying to just wipe it clean, wipe it off right now. I want to really make sure that everything got the patina it needed. I guess if you don't like this, you can scrub it off using fine steel wool. That should take off the patina. Once it's on, you can just wipe it off. It's that reaction. It's not like it needs to sit any longer to do anything. So this is the instructions. After patina, spray quick clean liberally to surface, then wipe dry with a clean cloth or paper towel again. Just soak it, stopping everything. Okay, from now on, after this, we are not going to wash it. There's no need to do anything besides waxing it. It looks kind of dull, like an old antique look, but we want it to be shiny. The wax is going to help it. So the next step is to wax this up. Any Carnauba wax, just standard car wax. So no water after the patina. We're just going to wax it up. See the shine coming through. Really see the effect. And it's still not as shiny because we still have to polish it. At this point, I've waxed everything up. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, you know, let the wax kind of dry off. And then once that happens, we will polish everything. This is the final step.